Howdy partners, this is Kieran from Clear Imaging, and this is our Marketing How-To series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google My Business account. Now you might ask yourself, well, what is Google My Business? It's a free program by Google where you can verify your company in Google Maps, get reviews, edit your business info as it appears in Google Maps, and post content. Now there's two big reasons why you should get on Google My Business. One, you can't get Google reviews unless you're on Google My Business, and getting Google reviews is a key part of your internet marketing. Reason two is you need to take control of your business before somebody else does. For instance, how would you like it if somebody else verified your account and then redirected all the website visitors to their website? That would not be good. So today I'm going to show you how to make an account. It's super easy, just takes a couple of minutes. Let's dive right in. Now you're going to need your own Google account already. This is like a Gmail, for instance, so go to google.com/Gmail and sign up for Gmail if you don't already have it. If you do, you can skip that step. Just go to account.google.com and log in to Google. All right, so this is your Google dashboard. If you log into account.google.com, go over here, hit Google My Business. This is going to come up. Then you're going to want to sign in. And then here we are. This is where we go from here on creating the actual business. So we'll type in the business name. Let's call this one Ultra Pavers. How about Ultra Landscaping? There we go. And it's trying to think of ones that already exist. Ours doesn't exist here, so we're going to put create a business with this name, like that. So the name of the business. Is this verifying with us? Yep, that's fine with me. I'm going to click next. Business category. Let's type in landscape. There we go, landscaper. Now you can add on additional categories later on once the account is created. I do recommend that. You can add subcategories, and that is important for your SEO. Let's keep going. Do you want to add a location that customers can visit, like a store or office? In this case, let's say we do have a brick and mortar, so we're going to click yes. So what's the address? Let's put right here, put a suite number. It already filled out all the other info. Going to click next. So do you serve customers outside this location? For instance, do you deliver? In this case, we don't. So we'll click no. So contact information. We can put this for now. And let's see if it lets us skip that. Very good. Pretty easy. You can add that info later on, no problem. So it looks like it's all set for us. Click finish. And bam, look at that. Look how easy that was. I think that was under 2 minutes. So we have choices here of verification. Probably this is the only one that's going to work. Postcard by mail. So it's going to send a postcard to that address that we inputted, and it can take a week or two. So we hit mail here, and then it's actually going to mail to that address with this as the address up here. So once this looks good to you, verify that this is the correct address, because you want to make sure it's going to the right place. Then you'll click mail, and it'll be off, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. That's all you have to do on creating the account. After you've created the account, you'll get the postcard in a week or two, and then you can log back in, input the code from the postcard, and then you can optimize your profile. But as far as creating the profile, you just saw how easy that was. It literally took 2 minutes. So some closing thoughts here. Google My Business, it's free, it takes minutes to set up, and it gives you the ability to get Google reviews, so it's really a no-brainer. And as we saw just now, it's no big deal. We did it in 2 minutes. So if you don't have one, set it up today. All right, so As you know, this is us, Clear Imaging. If you need any help with your website, Clear Imaging has been helping small business owners with their site since 2004. We're super dependable, always answer emails, and we get the job done. That's why we've been around for so long. So come on down to the contact page and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Until then, thank you very much and take care.